Hello, and welcome to Veritas Farm Business Management. We're the data analytics division of Deveron UAS. My name's Aaron Breimer, and I'm the general manager of Veritas. As you can see on your screen, our tagline is the relentless pursuit of ag's potential today. Yes, I admit that that's a pretty lofty statement. Agriculture's potential is going to be based off of decision making, just like it always has been. For the last 10,000 years, agriculture has been focused very heavily on gut instinct and past experiences. Yes, we did utilize some data, but it was that gut and experience that helped agriculture evolve. We're seeing data become a bigger and bigger, more important role in making those decisions, but that doesn't make utilizing data easy, and that can be very frustrating. So within Veritas, we talk about 5 pillars of success. This is how we think. The first is that we believe in simplicity. This does not mean our solutions are simple to copy or that they give simple results. It's that they're simple to utilize. If it's not simple, farmers are not going to do it. They will revert back to what has always worked for them. So simplicity is important. The next one is that it has to be personalized. Every farm operation is unique. Every farm is unique. Every field is unique. If you think that you can combine a whole bunch of fields and create some insight, well, maybe you can. We don't believe that farmers are going to buy into that idea nearly as well as if you sit down with them, look at all of their data, and help them find an insight that data for their farm is unique to them. So that's an important part for us. The next part is Veritas does not stand still. We're constantly innovating. We're constantly looking for feedback from our end users, from our partners, from our customers to know what they need in order to be able to support them on the data side. In order to do this requires us to listen. And this is not always as easy as you might think. The next one is validation. This is huge for me. I was raised on a farm, and I was raised to constantly question things and understand what is the value of the decision that I was making. So when our solutions go to the market, we want to be able to make sure that we are able to validate what value that solution is bringing to that farmer. Without that, farmers are going to go back and do whatever that they've done in the past because there is no objective way to measure it without validation. The 5th pillar is inclusive. It's become a buzzword in the agriculture industry to use the word collaboration. I'm not sure if we really understand what collaboration means, because more often than not, what we're talking about is that we'll work cooperatively together. But collaboration requires all teams to be pulling in the exact same direction. And that is what Veritas is interested in, is that true definition of collaboration. This is not easy. In fact, I would suggest this is the hardest pillar for us to achieve. Everybody talks about being collaborative, but it takes a lot of work to truly get there. So with Veritas, and I encourage you to look throughout our website and look at some of the solutions. There's a bunch of videos, unfortunately, of me talking, where you're going to be able to see how some of our solutions work. Maybe some of those solutions will work for your operation. Maybe some of them don't. We would love to hear back from you on them. But here is some key takeaways that you're going to see when you're looking at our solutions. We don't talk about big data. Remember what I said about that unique solutions for every farm? We refer to that as deep data. What does that data tell that farm? We don't talk about a platform. The fact of the matter is we don't have a platform. We're willing to work with whatever platform you're comfortable with. If you like working with the climate platform, great. If you want to work with the John Deere platform, equally great. Whatever platform works for you, that's the platform that we want to work with. So we will work with every platform that's out there that is willing to work with us. We don't have algorithms. Well, we don't have many algorithms, and I don't really talk about algorithms because I want to talk about actual solutions. Now, if you've got an algorithm that you want to test, whether it's for a prescription, let's face it, algorithms are a fancy word. But what we do is we test this and we analyze. Remember that validation piece? We want to know what is making you money and how much money and how can it be used to make more money. We don't talk about a 5 bushel increase. Let's face it, if every one of those 5 bushel increase promises actually came to be, we'd be growing 1,500 bushel corn and 750 bushel soybeans. It doesn't exist out there. Every farm is unique. We have to understand what's limiting those. We're not going to make promises. What we're interested is we want to show the money, show the value, show the profit. That is what's important to us. So I hope you enjoy your time on our website, and I look forward to interacting with you. Thank you very much.